Mastering tag questions. Twist and turn with negative statements and positive tags. Hello, language enthusiasts. We're here to unravel yet another mystery of the English language. Today's focus is on negative statements with positive tags. It's all about tag questions. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Before we dive into negative statements with positive tags, let's first grasp what tag questions are. A tag question is a short question we add to the end of a sentence. It turns a statement into a question. For example, you're learning English, aren't you? Here, aren't you, is a tag question. Now, what do we mean by negative statements with positive tags? It's simple. When you have a negative statement, you follow it with a positive tag to create a balanced sentence. For example, you didn't forget the meeting, did you? Here, you didn't forget the meeting is a negative statement, and did you is the positive tag. Let's take a look at how we can create these structures. First, start with a negative statement. This usually involves using not or contractions like don't, doesn't, isn't, aren't, etc. Then, add a positive tag. For positive tags, we generally use the auxiliary or the helping verb from the statement and the pronoun. For instance, she isn't coming to the party, is she? Now that we understand the structure, let's practice with some more examples. 1. We haven't met before, have we? 2. You won't tell anyone, will you? 3. They don't like pizza, do they? Feel free to practice with your own sentences. Remember, the key is to start with a negative statement and end with a positive tag. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to use negative statements with positive tags. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these in your everyday English conversations to sound more natural and engaging. See you in our next lesson, where we will explore more exciting aspects of conversational English. Happy learning!